Hello friends, welcome to Electro Pixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Welcome back to another video from Electro Pixels. Today, we have a 32-inch iBall LED TV in for repair. The customer's complaint was that the TV had sound but no picture. After opening the TV and performing a detailed inspection, we found that both of the original backlight LED strips were severely damaged and had reached the end of their lifespan. This TV originally uses two backlight LED strips, but since the exact replacement strips were not available, we installed two new compatible 3V LED strips that are readily available in the market. Each LED on these strips operates at 3 volts, making them a suitable replacement for this model. After carefully removing the old backlights, we installed the new LED strips, ensuring proper alignment and secure mounting for uniform brightness. Once the replacement was completed, we reassembled the TV by reinstalling the reflector sheets, diffuser sheets, LCD panel, and panel frame in their correct positions. Finally, we connected the LVDS cable and all the necessary connectors before powering on the TV for testing. As you can see, the display has been fully restored. The picture quality is bright and uniform, and the TV is now working perfectly. This confirms that the backlight replacement was completely successful, and the repair has been carried out successfully. If you found this repair video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Electro Pixels for more LED TV repair tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and electronics repair videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next repair video.